So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. Now once you run this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand current control set. And now you want to expand services. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to expand Landman Workstation. Scroll down till we find Landman Workstation, expand that. And now you want to click on parameters. And now this will appear on the right side. Make sure that you're now in the parameters folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. You want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this allow insecure guest auth. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. And now in this box right here under value data, you want to make it 1. Make it the number 1 and then click on OK. Once you do all of this, the problem should be fixed. You should now be able to access the shared folder. If you can't, then just restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.